A quick update. We got the triple tree refinished. A couple of other parts been worked on. The frame is now freshly painted. I think that's good to go. I got a couple of forks done. Actually waiting on the seals, but that is the new fork. Done in polished silver. Many more things going on. Kind of got a side case or two going, a brake caliper bracket. Lots and lots of pieces in movement and parts being refinished. This is just a quick update on the Sr500. I even painted the brake disc. I'm going to sand off where the brake pads hit, but they were awful rusty. So now they'll be nice and black. But there she is, coming to a fruition here. Very good quality ceramic paint put on this one. Continuation to the follow-up. There's a set of wheels and tires. Completely redid the wheels, had to take them all the way apart, put them back together. You'll notice the rear wheel has no sprocket on them, but I think they turned out pretty good considering what they used to look like.